Hello to my brothers and sisters from the Thadou Kuki community. I just wanted to share a personal win with you all. That is, I got featured as the city showstopper. It's me! Thank you Akshay Kaushal and Krekishino for this feature. This is such a proud moment because I was featured wearing my Thadou Kuki traditional outfit. This design holds very special meaning. It's created together with the Nordic designer Ninaiba Mangsi. Photographed by Mohit Kumar and makeup by Sharal. Paying tribute to all the Kukizo who lost their life in the violence in Manipur. It symbolizes our struggles, burned homes, silenced children, and the life lost in the ethnic violence. By wearing it, I wanted to show even after everything we've been through, we rise and we will continue to shine and get justice for the lost soul. And also, it's just an honor to be featured alongside with all these artists and creators from the Northeast. It's never been about me, we all grow together. This is just another win I just wanted to share with you all. I hope this makes you happy. I will continue to make you all proud and reach new heights. Thank you for staying here with me on this journey and please continue your valued support. Thank you so much for listening and follow for more fun content. Bye!